Hello, hi. Today we are going to see how to improve intelligence in children. So every parent's dream is to have an intelligent child. So what is the difference between the average and an above average intelligence? Is there any structural differences or any other things which makes an average and above average differences? So let me give you one small example of research done on Einstein brain. When the Einstein brain is compared with the normal individual's brain, there is no structural differences in both these brains. There are only small, more grooves in the brain. So, when there is no structural differences between an average and above average intelligent brain, then what is the difference? The difference is the connections. So, the more the connections, the more the child is intelligent. The children will learn things by exploring the environment. For example, they want to break things, they want to spill water, they want to tear papers, they want to spill, they want to smell, they want to taste, they want to suck. All these things will improve their connections in the brain. So, when we are talking about all these connections, I'll give you one more example. When I was walking in the corridors of a pediatric ward, I see lots of infants are being covered with, hands are being covered with gloves. So when I ask the parents, they come up with different answers telling that my child is pulling his or her own hair, so they are crying. My child is scratching the face, so we have tied the hands. So what are we doing here? We are impairing them to learn certain things. I'll explain you what are we impairing them. The first thing is the child, when they are pulling their own hand, they will learn that these two parts are part of their body. And as well, when you are pulling hair, it pains. So these 2-3 things we are missing. So try to allow your child to explore things. I'll give you one classic case example which I have seen. One child with 21 months year old was brought to my cabin. The child was having inability in walking. As an anxious parents, they visited different doctors. Finally, they came to me. When I was taking the case history, some surprising information I got from the parents. So the child was being taken care by the grandmother. The grandmother is very insecure about the child. The grandmother never wants the child to have a fall or to get injured. So she never allowed the child on the floor. So she used to carry the child and fulfill his wishes or her wishes whenever the child is asking. So after the parents realizing that the child is having inability in walking, they tried to do lots of research on it. So now let me tell you the problem behind inability to walk. The child is fearful. He's worried, if I stand on my own, I'll fall because I'm used to walk this with 4 limbs. How can I stand on 2 foot? This is what the problem. So don't impair your child from exploring the environment. So what is this intelligence comprised of? Intelligence is comprised of lots of domains. The main 2 domains is the crystallized intelligence and the fluid intelligence. Let me explain you about the crystallized intelligence. Crystallized intelligence is like a database. You have lots of information which you gathered through exploring. And the fluid intelligence comes in a way to get this database information and to resolve the issues. I'll give you one more example. If you show an apple to the child sees the color, the size, the shape, and the taste and the smell, and he comes to a conclusion that this is an apple. So, whenever your child is exploring the environment, they are learning with all the 5 senses. So, please allow your children to play in water, sand, colors, Play-Doh, and lots of papers. Let them tear, let them taste it, let them know everything. So this is how you can improve the intelligence. And one more interesting question parents ask is whether gadgets can improve the intelligence, as gadgets teach lots of things. As a clinical psychologist, I say a big no to the gadgets. So why big no? We'll explain in the next video. And thank you for watching.